Now in case you want to make the formatting more look more better, then what we can do is, rather than going with the row approach, ideally since we are doing ng repeat, we could have done, we could have applied any class here. Now there is one more interesting class that is provided by Bootstrap, and that class is called Jumbotron. So that kind of gives a nice box kind of layout, and that's what we are seeing is this is getting automatically formatted, and we are seeing that training name is there, then training description is there, then a number of duration of the training is given. So now if we, in case we wanted to format like this is the duration and all, we could have done that basically inside the Jumbotron. We could have used the row and the columns approach to kind of show this. Now this training class that we had defined, what we can do is we can go to our CSS file and we can say this is the class we are defining, and inside this class, if you want to do something, if you want to describe kind of any elements that we want to apply to this, kind of if we want to give, let's say, a border, and we can say 1 pixel solid, and we say red, then we will see all our training classes, sorry, this training was applied to this div tag. So yeah, so what we will see is all our div tags will start getting shown as kind of in this border. Now if we want to define the background color here, we can do that. This is white, and we save it, then we see like the description is coming in white in color. Now this Jumbotron is the thing that ideally we would have applied the border on the entire Jumbotron, and we could have given this background color also to Jumbotron. So we can kind of customize the Jumbotron as well. So we can say Jumbotron background color is white, and we can say the border 1 pixel solid, and we say let's say pink for now. And what we will do is see if our cursor is there in a class, then automatically it highlights this element in the web page with the blue background. So this is a kind of feature of live preview of brackets, and if I move the cursor out, then we really see what element is going to look like. Now one last thing that we can do is we can apply a box shadow property over here, and let's go and see the description of box shadow, how we apply that. So we look at the quick docs, and it says that this gives this property programmatically creates one or more shadows of the box inside or outside of the block level. Yeah, so now we see that this is applying the color that we have given. Now color, if we want to change, we can also change the color to gray, or we can change it to, let's say, a little yellowish, the way we want to show our courses. Yep, so this is the coverage of Jumbotron, and one more directive of Angular where we have used ng repeat. And another beautiful thing that we have covered is we have started linking the data in our controller to the web page. So that is what was to be covered in this module.